This is capital A, and this is small a. A is for apple. This is capital B, and this is small b. B is for ball. This is capital C, and this is small c. C is for cat. This is capital D, and this is small d. D is for dog. This is capital E, and this is small e. E is for elephant. This is capital F, and this is small f. F is for fish. This is capital G, and this is small g. G is for goat. This is capital H, and this is small h. H is for hat. This is capital I, and this is small I. I is for ice cream. This is capital J, and this is small j. J is for jug. This is capital K, and this is small k. K is for kite. This is capital L, and this is small l. L is for lion. This is capital M, and this is small m. M is for monkey. This is capital M, and this is small m. L is for nest. This is capital M, and this is small o. O is for orange. This is capital P, and this is small p. P is for parrot. This is capital Q, and this is small q. Q is for queen. This is capital R, and this is small r. R is for rabbit. This is capital S, and this is small s. S is for sun. This is capital T, and this is small t. T is for tiger. This is capital U, and this is small u. U is for umbrella. This is capital V, and this is small v. V is for van. This is capital W, and this is small w. W is for watch. This is capital X, and this is small x. X is for xylophone. This is capital Y, and this is small y. Y is for yak. This is capital